I am liking the looks of 70s back in my life.
Oh, exactly. I mean, even today, we're going to be aiming for the middle 60s, so kind of close to 70s, but overall just really mild in our forecast for today and potentially into tomorrow. And we're going to be watching for our next chance of rain into tomorrow as well before we cool down for the next couple of days after that. I'll show you all you need to know coming up here, but 38 degrees, some of us even in the upper 20s for this morning. Very chilly on your way out. We'll be in the middle 50s by the time we get to the later half of this morning. We'll end up with some more clouds into the later parts of the morning and into the afternoon. That's going to be ahead of our next system, which will be rolling in for tomorrow. So weather impact alert in place for Tuesday for the rain. Could be kind of heavy at times, mainly over deep East Texas, but this is going to be our only chance of rain for a while. Notice here, rainfall forecast nice and dry as we head into the rest of this week. We do have that weather impact alert once again Tuesday morning into early Tuesday afternoon. By the later parts of the afternoon should be nice and dry. We're mainly looking at a wet morning commute as the main impact here. So certainly make sure to bring the rain gear. Make sure those windshield wipers are in perfect working order. Here's your future skycast on a little bit of a bigger scale here. Warmer temperatures for today. The warm air is pushing up. We got that warm front off to the north and east. And then we got this area of low pressure alongside this cold front, which will be sparking off those showers and potentially a little bit of thunderstorm action into Tuesday morning. And again, by Tuesday afternoon, evening should be out of the picture. We'll end up with some northwesterly winds, bringing in some cooler temperatures into the rest of your Tuesday and into the start of your Wednesday, and even into the end of your Wednesday as well. But especially into Wednesday morning, we'll end up with some very chilly temperatures. 60s for today. See that southwesterly wind could gust as high as 20 miles per hour for today. There's the clouds. We got some showers starting to build into the early parts of Tuesday. 50s for the start. We'll end up in the 60s once again for the afternoon. Again, could be kind of heavy at times. The rain, especially over southern parts of the area. 60s for tomorrow afternoon. Notice that wind now out of the northwest. Clear skies, temperatures in the upper 30s to start your Wednesday. Only making it to the middle 50s by Wednesday afternoon with a little bit more sunshine. Next 7 days for your rainfall. Again, a lot of it along and north of I-20. All of us will at least have a chance for a little bit of rain, but most of the rain will reside in some of our deep East Texas counties with at least 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/2 an inch further to the south. Again, that's going to be mainly under those thunderstorms. Now, again, today is Groundhog Day, but this is what the Climate Prediction Center says over the next 8 to 14 days. Above average temperatures will be likely. This is February 10th through February 16th. And then as far as rainfall, we are expected to be just slightly above average with that as well. So that is what we can expect over the next 8 to 14 days. Now here is what it looks like over the next 7. Pretty quiet. Again, we do have that chance of rain for tomorrow. 60s for today, partly cloudy skies. Cloudy skies turning into rain showers into Tuesday morning. We should be out of the woods by Tuesday afternoon and evening. 65 degrees. Then we go down once again into the 50s as that cold front comes through. Upper 30s to start. Middle 50s to wrap up your Wednesday with partly cloudy skies. We'll end up with some sunshine for the later parts of this week, but notice this temperature climb. We go from the 30s to the 60s, upper 60s by Friday, and also into Saturday. Beautiful conditions for the weekend. We could possibly crack 70 degrees by your Sunday.